Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up your email address using the new email server that we're installing you on. First thing is you go to your Outlook, which is right here. Go to Tools. Go to Tools. Go to Account Settings. This new box will pop up over here on Email Accounts, and you want to click on New. Pops up and says, do you want Microsoft POP3 IMAP or HTTP or other? You want to click on the Microsoft 3, and you want to go down here in the corner and you want to hit Next. Now what will pop up is another box. They'll say Auto Account Setup, but if you'll scroll to the bottom of that box, you'll see it says manually configure server settings or additional types. That's what you want to check. Check that, and then go over here where it says Next and hit Next. Now another pop-up will pop up and say, which of these three do you want? You want the internet email, which is the top one, and then you're going to go back down here to Next, click on Next, and then it'll bring up the user information that you're going to need to change, which is right here. So the top part is your name, how you want it to show when someone receives your email. Your email address is your email address. For this case, it is test@infinityusa.com. Yours will be whatever yours is. The POP3 is correct. The incoming mail server will be mail.domain on both incoming and outgoing. Your login information down here, this is where you're going to have to make a change. It used to be the ampersand, so it was test at. Now we're going to do test plus and then the domain. Your password is your password, and then you want to make sure this is checked if you want it to remember your password. Now we're going to go down here to more settings. When that pops up, another box will pop up called Internet Email Settings. Again, right here, test@infinityusa.com. Doesn't matter what you put there. This is how it shows up in your list of emails. So if you want this to be the @infinityusa email, then type that. Doesn't really matter what you put here. Outgoing server, you need to make sure you click My Outgoing Server requires authentication, and use the same settings as my incoming server. Connection is fine. You don't need to do anything there. But on advanced, you want to make sure the incoming is 110, but the outgoing, don't click that. Incoming is 110, but your outgoing server, instead of being 25, is going to be 2525. Then you scroll down here, click OK. Then once that's done, you want to make sure you test your account settings to see if they work. So over here on the page it says Test Account Settings. As you can see, it's running it, and it says completed, and it sent a test email message. And then what you want to do next is go down here to the bottom where it says Next, click Next, and then hit Finish. Now that way you know that your email has been set up. You got to go all the way through. Now you can close this, and then we're going to go up here. We're going to hit Send and Receive to see if the test message came through. And there it is right there. Test message came through. It's automatically sent. Testing your settings, which is the test@infinityusa.com. That's how you do your emails now. Set them up like that. You shouldn't have any problem. You can either add the new one, delete the old one, or make those changes to your existing email address if you're going from the old server to the new server. If any questions, call me, Glenn Ferris, or look more of this video again on adfinity.biz. Thank you.